How's everybody doing? We're doing the random. Let's give away the charges. 2, 3, 4. The Arizona Cardinals. Mr. Anthony tomorrow. Okay, let's do it. Oh, these $10. Last 4 boxes in the case. Should be good. Damn, that was a catch. Alright, here we go. Start off with a Fred Warner, a Clyde Edwards, and Antonio Gandy-Golden. Ho, 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 ho! Oh, 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 oh. Woo! There's a big hit. What the 5 of 5 Mahomey. Holy mother of Mahomes. 5 of 6, I'm sorry. 5 of 6 Mahomes. Wow. Yes, sir. And that was not one. That was one of the last teams. Damn. Hurts. Ayuk, I said the last 4 are gonna be good. I'm not lying about it. Jamal Adams, Jake Fromm. Mate Stanley. Silver Refractor. Joshua Kelly, Chase Young. Oh my goodness. There's the free Herbert for free. Silver Illumination. This 4 boxers about to kick some major butt. Illumination, Silver, Herbert, Kenny G, Kyle, Yannick Nagoku, what do you say that is? You're very welcome. If y'all want that graded, let me know. Justin Tucker, Denzel Mims. Jason Pierre-Paul, Thaddeus Moore, Jalen Hurts, John Peoples-Jones, Antonio Gibson, AJ Espinosa, Justin Jefferson, a silver, CJ Henderson, Jaguars, Jason Fontaine, Quentin Williams, Jerry Jeudy, Thielen, Quez Watkins, Henry Ruggs. Well, that was a hell of a box. Lord. Man, good luck. You know who bought all the ones, Scooter? I overslept because I had a headache on Thursday, and you know who got them all. I had a terrible headache. I woke up. I was supposed to go to Walmart to get all these, and guess who got them? Yeah, that's my thoughts as well. AJ Green, Hunter Renfrow, Cam Akers, AJ Brown, Marlon Mack, Michael Pittman Jr., Vaughn. We got Eno Benjamin, Arizona. 25 camo. AJ Dillon, Antoine Winfield. Aaron Jones, silver, Green Bay. Xavier Howard, J.K. Dobbins, Okay. Phillip Rivers. Anthony McFarland. Out of 50 for the Brownies, Eric Metcalf. They definitely got some interesting bets. For the Browns, Cleveland Browns, McMillan. Jonathan Taylor. DJ Moore. We have a redemption. Rookie autographs, Chase Young, Washington. Philip Tallarico. Cool commits. A Jordan Love, Green Bay. Shaquille Griffin. Tyler Johnson. The silver. T. Higgins, Cincinnati, Swedes. T. Higgins, Cincinnati. Nick Olashak. Donnell Savage, Green Bay, Trevon Diggs, and Akuda Matata. Okay. The hell? What the heck they did to these base cards? We got Von Miller, Willie Gay. Oh my god, stupid. Oh snap, we got a 1-of-1, the true 1-of-1, the black, Clint Riley. What? That looks pretty damn sweet. Damn, this case is good. 1-of-1. Williams. Antonio Gibson. Jeremy Chin, Carolina. Justin Jefferson. Golden Tate. Jerry Jeudy. We got a silver of Kenny Clark. Max Crosby. Clyde Edwards-Helaire base. KC. For the Rammies, Van Jefferson, Christian Fulton, and Denzel Mims. Oh, another one. Kansas City, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. All right, Jeff. You got a monster Mahomes. Can we talk about this card? It's my LSU man. He's from Baton Rouge. You got a gajillion-dollar card. Can we speak about some? I'll trade you something for this. Clyde Edwards. Hunter Henry. Breezy. Devin White. Antonio Gandy Golden and Jalen Hurts. Xavier McKinney. Giants. Refractor. Silver. Auto. Ayuk from Jonathan Taylor, Harrison Smith, Joshua Kelly. Alright, don't wait too late because once I leave today, everything gets Jacob Eason auto. Silver refractor Indy, Sean Bunker. First Eason auto, I see. Chase Young, and Noah. Okay, we're down to the last box of this case. It's been a hell of a case. I'll take that one too, damn it. I'll take both. I can't afford a Burrow, and there's nothing I can trade for Burrow. Justin Jefferson I like, and Clyde Edwards-Helaire I definitely want. I mean, that's my LSU people. And Clyde Edwards is from Baton Rouge. Jefferson is too. I don't know what I have to trade, but I mean, it's worth a shot. Oh man, we got a gold coming up? Who can who? The gold is AJ Brown, Tennessee. Matt Collender. Here it is. Whoever packaged this, why would you flip 3 to 4 cards? You're trying to be like tops. Chris Carson, purple. A Chase Claypool base. LaMichael P-Line, Jets, Chenault, and T. Higgins. Danny Dimes. Silver, Earl Thomas. Justin Tucker. Earl Thomas the third. He ain't there no more. Baltimore. Okay. Josh Uche, Patriots. Zach Moss, CD Lamb. Out of 35, a Golden Tate sensational signatures. Giants. Kenny and clipboard. Keenan Allen. Tariq, we got a Burrow. Burrow. Isaiah Simmons, Arizona, refractor for Simmons. Simmons. Kenny Clark. Silver, Jonu Smith. Let's see. Keenan Allen and Cam Akers. All right. Woo. 4 boxes with something else. Okay. So we had Jonu, we had Earl, we had Clyde. I'm going to thank you in advance. Kenny Clark, T. Higgins, Aaron Jones, C.J. Henderson, and Justin Herbert Illumination Silver. We had a Joe Burrow, we had a A.J. Brown Gold, and a Eno Camo. We had a redemption of Chase Young. We had Isaiah Simmons, Golden Tate, Jacob Eason, Xavier McKinney, Eric Metcalf, Nate Stanley, and my God, a out of 6 Patty Mahomes. Wait, but that's not all. And what everybody's chasing in this product, but the non-auto of Henry Ruggs 1 of 1. Yes, sir. I know everybody can. Whoever's chasing Henry Ruggs, well, the non-auto has been pulled. Black on black. Next up is Flawless Briefcase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Giveaway spot. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jeff, you got the spot. We only have one more break to qualify for the. It is Drew and Fred goes into pick your gift. There we go. Congrats. What a case. Case up.